In this video tutorial, we will show you how to change the Excel chart scale. In order to change the Excel chart scale, open your Excel document. Select a column with data. Go to the Insert tab. Click on Column and choose 3D Column. Adjust your chart size. Then go to the Layout tab. Click on Axes. Choose Primary Vertical Axis and select More Primary Vertical Axis options. Select the minimum parameter to Fixed and set the value to 1,0000.0. Then change the fixed parameter to Maximum and set the value to 1,000,000.0. Go to Axes again. Choose Primary Vertical Axis and select More Primary Vertical Axis options. Change Major Unit to Fixed and set the value to 5,000.0. Now open the axes. Choose Primary Vertical Axis. Select More Primary Vertical Axis options. Change Minor Unit to Fixed and set the value to 5,000.0. Now you know how to make changes in the Excel chart scale.